wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best tent cots. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The sturdy tangkula folding with rainfly can keep you comfortable in any type of weather. Its frame is made of durable aluminum and the material is a tough polyurethane. It sits 12 inches above the ground, which helps keep out bugs and other creatures. It comes with breathable mesh windows and is easy to set up and take down. It comfortably sleeps 2 adults. At number 5, humans aren't the only animals that like to stay warm and dry while sleeping outdoors. The Kleger Premium is the perfect elevated shelter for the 4-legged member of your camping party, providing a safe space for a dog or a cat to curl up when away from home. It's got a decent 80-pound weight limit and some easy assembly is required, but it's too short for some breeds. Coming in at number 4 on our list, with a bit of practice you'll have a kamp-rite compact collapsible set up in less than 1 minute. It packs down even more easily. The unit's extra long legs keep you high above the ground and away from the moisture, temperature and critters you wish to avoid. It includes a fly mesh on all windows and ground anchors. However, it is rather heavy for a solo option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tent cots, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. This winterial double is an excellent choice for a couple or for the kids. It can support up to 500 pounds and has ample room for 2 full-grown adults to stretch out in comfort well above the potentially cold or wet ground. It's equipped with 4 windows and a tubular aluminum frame, but it is heavier than many options. At number 2, one of the most versatile selections, the kamp-rite Oversize can be used as a lounge chair or an open cot for sleeping under the stars. Longer and wider than their original model, its dome top creates more room inside for sitting more comfortably. It's made of heavy-duty nylon with a powder-coated aluminum frame. It comes with a carrying bag and a rain fly. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the outsunny compact portable pop-up is an ideal choice for the solo camper who needs a comfortable wilderness home base during a fishing, hunting or photography trip. It can be easily set up by one person and folds down into a compact bag with carrying handles. Cotton tent can be used separately and it's made from a tear and puncture resistant fabric with a generous side entry door. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tent cots, or simply click beneath this video.